y'all. You guys know me. I like to take things and retry it differently. So I'm gonna do it my way. I see the vision. I get the vision. That actually works. I have a very interesting video for you guys today. I want to try out a method. Seen it going around social media, and try it so you don't have to. Today's video is mostly focusing on how to hide the lace without any foundation or any lace tint. For everyone who's still having a problem blending transparent lace, today's wig, this is what it looks like straight out the box. I feel like it looks amazing out the box. Try out two methods in today's video. One is very simple for the beginner, and the second method will be a little bit more advanced. So let's get into. First technique consists of using the hair itself, not creating baby hairs, not too much. Take my wax stick. Usually there's like a line. So when you pull the hairs down like this, I usually take my hot comb and just kind of press it. And I'm gonna take my razor and cut them super short. And we're gonna just brush them down and then back into the hair a bit. Looks pretty good, right? It looks very natural, and over time, like I said, you keep it tied down.
An advanced method to get a realistic hairline.
Go across the forehead with the glue. Slide the wig back. Put some on the back of our hand. Mix our foundation. Go across that same spot with this right over top. Let this dry completely down. Now you have like this strip. Place it on the lace like this. Just dab and blend. Make sure it just matches. So right now it's looking pretty good.